Good morning, folks. Lonnie.Bowers here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Beautiful day today. I'm here bringing you a truck camper, 2021 Lance Model 1172. Double slide camper, fully walkable roof, beautiful truck camper. Lots of interior room, rear slide, driver's side slide, and side entry. Okay, folks, let's take a walk inside this beautiful camper. When you walk in the front door, the first thing you're going to notice is your rear slide out to your left with a nice large couch. It does fold out into a bed. Also, it doubles as two recliners. Either end reclines. You're also going to notice straight forward is going to be your booth, dinette. Nice large booth. Plenty of room around the table. It is solid surface countertops. Light and bright. Medium gray cabinetry with white and gray marbled countertops. Skylight in the middle, so you get lots of light. Nice windows. You're also going to notice in the kitchen it is a mid-kitchen. You do have a counter extender there, double sink. Nice stainless steel appliances go very, very well with that light colored countertop and the lighter wood. Towards the back, you're going to notice your refrigerator on the left in the slide behind the booth. And on your right is going to be your entertainment center with your television and some shelf storage. And next to that will be your dry bath. Nice shower. Nice big sink, some good storage as well. And in the rear will be your bedroom. On either side of the bed is some storage. You have on the what would be the passenger side of your vehicle of the bed, you have a nice big mirrored wardrobe. So sliding doors on both sides with the closet, hangable stuff there. You also have a deep well storage on the right side of the bed. You have a small storage cabinet on the head of the driver's side of the vehicle with some other cabinetry there as well. Nice little AM/FM stereo CD above. One more thing I wanted to point out, over your booth dinette, which does fold out into a bed for guests, you also have a fold down bunk above that. So you have another single bed above that can fold down, and there's a spot for a privacy curtain there as well. This is already has a generator, Onan Cummings generator. Your spot on your control is right next to your control panel at the end of the cabinet next to your television. Again, folks, I want to thank you for coming down, viewing our product today, taking your time. Please ask for me if you have any questions about this or any other models that we carry. My name is Lonnie.Bowers. Best way to reach me is on my cell at 458-210-4130. Thanks again.